Hey guys, so if you haven't seen my previous video, you can go check it out. It was of outlining of this drawing. So this is like a fried chicken drumstick with macaroni and gravy. And I did an outlining video for that, so you can check it out on my drawings playlist. So right now I'm gonna color it with my touch markers. So first I'm gonna color in the chicken. I'm going to start with YR31, which is dark yellow. I want to do like a golden brown color, but not really like a super brown color. Like, not just pure brown color, but have golden brown. Because it's fried chicken. And then I'll mix in BR104. And that's brown gray. So the fried chicken is done, and now I'm going to color in the macaroni. First I'm going to use YR25 to color in like the macaroni noodles. And now I'm going to color in like the gravy first. So I'm going to do BR96, which is mahogany. Ooh, that's a dark gravy. And then I'm going to use R13, which is scarlet, for the packaging of like the design of the bowls. My last thing is R16, which is coral red. I'm just gonna color in this tiny tongue. And that's it. So here is the overview of my drawing. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share. Check down in the description box below. All my social media is there. You can go like and follow those. And all the process work of this drawing will be posted there, so you'll get better picture views from there too. If you're new to my channel, don't forget to check out my hauls playlist and my drawings playlist as well. And that's it. Hopefully my next video will be more drawing. I just need to create more sketches and stuff. I'm like I worked on this one and then the cheeseburger one, but then I didn't work on any other one. And like I'm tempted to draw like League characters, like League of Legends characters, because I used to play, but then I stopped for a while and I'm only level 12, so it's kind of funny because I haven't played in a long while. So yeah, I'm gonna get back into it, but there was like something about me in video games, like I don't play often as other people, and when I play, it's only like one game and that's it. So yeah, so something that I'm thinking of, but I'm not sure yet. So hope you guys enjoyed this video. Bye.